Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and in this episode news from Wiegand-Glas, NSG Group and Ambev. So let's roll the intro! We'd love to thank EPEC for sponsoring this episode. On Glass Open Book, the company presents its flagship software DES. DES is the world's first independent system to use smart algorithms for eliminating glass container forming defects. This system gives clear step-by-step instructions to the glass forming machine operator, memorizes actions taken, analyzes decisions made, and distributes them to all production lines, plants, and countries where the company operates. Contact the company via Glass Open Book to request a trial. Energy and raw material prices have been skyrocketing in Europe lately. This was caused by the surge in demand for energy combined with the reduced supply of gas on the global market. But let's not get deep into the causes of the price explosion. We are more interested in how it affected the glass industry. And as an energy-intensive industry, it was affected quite badly. Wiegand-Glas has postponed the startup of an amber glass furnace at its Schlesingen, Germany production site. The furnace should have been started in January, but due to exploding energy and material prices and high staff sickness from the Omicron variant, the company postponed the launch of this furnace for the second quarter of the year. This is like a red flag for all the doubters of renewable energy because it can prevent the crisis, maybe at least for now. But nevertheless, green power is picking up, and NSG UK Enterprises has signed a power purchase agreement with EDP Renewables for the renewable electricity generated by a wind farm located in Poland. NSG will offtake 51% of the output from the wind farm, which has a total installed capacity of 70 megawatts. The PPA will have a duration of 10 years starting in January 2022. The contract will see approximately 100 gigawatt-hours of NSG Group's annual electricity demand supplied at a fixed price, reducing exposure to the volatile wholesale electricity prices currently seen. The amount of clear energy is equivalent to avoiding carbon emissions from nearly 1,500 passenger vehicles driven for 1 year, or more than 278 million kilometers driven by an average passenger car.
We are delighted to sign our first virtual PPA with our partner EDPR for the majority of our electricity demand in Poland. This helps us secure renewable electricity at predictable costs over the long term in a market with a highly carbon-intensive grid. It's a huge step towards our sustainability objectives in support of our actions on climate change.
But let's drag ourselves from cold Europe to sunny Brazil, where the brewer and glass manufacturer Ambev is planning to build a new factory in the state of Paraná to produce bottles made of recycled glass using 100% renewable power. The investment amount is expected to be around $153 million, and Ambev expects to start the operation in 2025. But for now, we can only admire the new logo and visual brand identity of Anheuser-Busch InBev. That's it for this week. Take a look at the new products and company profiles on Glass Open Book, and I'm very pleased to see how our community grows. Feel free to join if you haven't already. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you next week. Goodbye.